Hello dear students, welcome to my class chemistry. How are you all? Are you learning joyfully? Today we want to discuss a special topic that is called quantum mechanical model, which was proposed by Erwin Schrodinger. We have been discussing the concept of atomic structure into a series of topics like Dalton's atomic theory, Thomson's atomic model, Rutherford's atomic model, Bohr's atomic model, and the nature of electron, Louis de Broglie equation, and Heisenberg uncertainty principle. These are all we covered. Today we are going to cover a new topic. This is called quantum mechanical model. Why this is explained? What is the purpose of this one? As we all know, Heisenberg explained we cannot find the position and momentum of an electron simultaneously. So that how can we find the position of an electron? There a new concept is given by Erwin Schrodinger, who is an Austrian physicist. He developed a new branch of science is called as quantum mechanics. This quantum mechanics is also called as wave mechanics, and another name is also called as wave mechanical model. There he explained a three-dimensional electronic field. He visualized the electron in three-dimensional field. In that, we can find out the probability of finding an electron. What is the meaning of probability? Probability is not certainty. Probability is nothing but approximately. That means we can find the position of an electron as possible as we can. The probability word, it is a mathematical term also. There we learn permutations and combinations and probability in a special topics. Here we want to discuss it. We cannot find out the exact position of an electron, but whereas we can find out the probability of finding an electron in a maximum way. The maximum probability of finding of an electron is called as an orbital. Orbital is three-dimensional. Orbital, there we can find out the position of an electron. There the probability of finding electron is maximum. If the probability of finding electron is 0, then we can call it as nodal plane. Based on all these things, Erwin Schrodinger, Austrian physicist, he developed a mathematical equation. This equation is like this. Schrodinger derived an equation for an electron which describes the wave function of an electron wave along any three axes, x, y, and z. Dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square bracket e minus v bracket closed psi is equal to 0. Psi is nothing but wave function. H is Planck constant. Already we knew that. E is total energy, Ke plus Pe, total energy of an electron actually. V is potential energy of an electron. E is total energy. V is potential energy. Right? The wave function E, psi pronounced as Psi, may be regarded as the amplitude function expressed in terms of coordinates x, y, and z. The wave function values may be positive or negative depending upon the values of coordinates. Its comparison with a wave is given below. Here, I want to write the wave equation like this. Delta square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square e minus v into psi is equal to 0. This is in partial differentiation equation actually. In this, the delta, that means this delta is Laplacian operator. The word is used, delta. This Schrodinger equation, it is also called as Huygens function. In fact, Schrodinger gave a generalized equation, h psi is equal to e psi, where h is called as Hamiltonian operator, and as we all know, psi is wave function. There, from this quantum mechanical model, we can find out the maximum probability of finding an electron. These orbitals are in the form of three-dimensional, and We know orbitals names like s orbital, px orbital, py orbital, pz orbital, dx orbital, dy orbital, dz orbital, dx square and y square, dz square orbitals. These are the names of orbitals. Okay, these orbitals we are going to be learning. We are going to draw the diagrams also in the class to come. Thank you, children. Please go through this one once again. Read it. Share your ideas. How it is useful to find out the electron and position. Thank you. Thank you all. God bless you.